cover all the bases should you ever need us. I highly suggest you keep our number, you save our number. Again, 844-774-3529. We're finally fired up right now on Facebook. And many of you listening right now on 93.5 FM will be like, well, what are you doing on Facebook right now? Well, we stream this show live every day on Facebook. So those of you listening on the radio station, those of you who've been listening to me for nearly 17 years on this radio station, I thank you. I thank you so very much. There's other things you could be doing, listening to, and paying attention to right now. But can you go one step further? Can you do your boy a solid? Can you check out the case handler on Facebook? Can you check out the case handler on Instagram? Can you like the page and follow the page? Let me know you're out there. Let me know that you're down with PPID. And speaking of PPID, check out PPID on Facebook. Check out PPID on Instagram. Let us know you're out there. Be connected to our practice. See exactly what we're talking about with your own eyes. See the smiling faces, the true life success stories, the updates on immigration, the updates in personal injury, things that matter to you now or may matter to you in the future. Check us out. Do us that favor. 844-774-3529 is the number, or just Google us. Google the case handler. Google PPID. You know, you'll see there's a difference there. And without further ado, I'd like to promote and introduce my co-host today, David Squeeze Annakie. David and I have been doing this show in one form or another for essentially my entire legal career. Can you imagine? We took breaks here and there, came to our senses, I guess, eventually, but we are good friends. We have a ton of respect for each other, and we, I think, are very motivated by embracing the community that's embraced us for so many years, by giving back that information, by giving back that quality that you folks out there deserve. So, Squeeze, Wagwan, man, good morning to you, brother.
Everything good, my brethren. Everything good. Everything.
Turn down that music. I can't even hear you.
The music is still on. Hold on, 1 second there. 1 second there, man. 1 second. What if my dream feel that? Okay. Can you hear me now?
I can. I still hear that music, which is good, but it's a little distracting when I'm trying to kiss your butt and say thank you for so many years of supporting the case handler.
What music are you talking about, man? I got no music playing right now.
I'm hearing it, man.
What's the song that's playing?
Why the sing in my mind?
What? I think that may be on your side, man.
No, brother. There is no way that this white boy in his law office is playing such upbeat, backbeat music. I think it's the dude wearing the Jamrock t-shirt in his studio right now.
All right.
I'm hearing it.
Let me kill it. Are you still hearing it?
Oh, yeah. It's probably been on this entire broadcast. Probably nobody listened to a single word I was just saying.
That's not true, because
it's still going. Live radio, ladies and gentlemen.
I tell you what, let's do a radio check. Somebody call me right now at 877-320-5465 and tell me if you're hearing any music right now. 877-320-5465. I'm telling you, dude, there is no music.
It's on, brother.
You need to check. Maybe you have something on your.
I do not. I'm telling you, we're gonna prove you wrong, guys. Help me prove Squeeze wrong. Call us right now.
877-320-5465. I don't know what music you're talking about, my brother, but I got no music playing.
I'm going to record this right now just to play it for you later.
Yes, please. I beg you to record it, because there is no music playing, my brother. None.
I wish I knew the name of the song to tell you.
No.
I just texted it to you. Check out your text message.
Because I'm like, what music? Oh, yeah. Alex says the music is going on. Music. I'm so serious, dude. I can hear you loud.
This is amateur hour right now.
You love me, baby.
Check your text message.
Be together, but you just drop.
I see the text message, man, but I'm still here trying to figure it out. It's still going now?
It is.
Still
You know
here?
what? Let it run, man. Let it run. The universe is trying to tell us something here.
Yeah, I don't know what it's trying to tell us, but ladies and gentlemen, you know, let's
Oh, it's off.
it's off now.
It's off.
Oh,
The track is off.
that's
But now I want to know what song that was.
I don't know. I don't know. All right. Anyway, let's get down to business right now. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Adam Handler. Yes, he's you know, Adam, I want to take some time out, man. I can't take any credit for your success in any way, shape, or form. But I can tell you this. I remember when I first met you, and
And by the way, that was in October of 2005.
yes,
October 2005.
yes. And you handled a few things for my mom, and thank you so much. Okay. And I appreciate it. You handled a few things for my friends. But I remember when one of your colleagues was parting ways, and I said,
Up, we're back. We're back on the music.
what the hell is going on? What is going on? You're still hearing music?
Oh yeah, everybody's still hearing music.
So I'm the only idiot that's not hearing the music?
Listen, we better let this track run because it's. I think it's annoying everybody. They want to hear the tunes now, man. You got everybody pumped up.
All right. Okay. Now you got me all bummed out here, man. But anyway, I remember, man, you know, when I said to someone, you know what, we should push this man to actually litigate and fight for the cases, you know, and since then, man, you have come a very, very, very long way where that is concerned. A very long way. And here you are today. What are you doing? You're settling cases in the millions. In the millions.
Hold on, I'm going to interrupt you. And Annakie Samuels is saying Sanchez is playing. Does that help you? Does that help fill in the clue?
It fills in the clue all the way, but
Randy, I hear you. Listen, it's everybody's hearing it on the radio.
yeah, everybody is calling me now.
Unknown caller.
All right, guys. I get it. I'm trying to figure it out here. All right?
And cherish every moment that we should be together.
Okay.
You're about to say some such beautiful things. I want to make sure that we all hear it, man.
Yeah, and the weirdest thing about it, like I said, I am hearing you loud and clear. I'm not hearing any music in my headset. Let me check. You still hearing it?
It stopped.
Well, that was weird. It was actually playing from my cell, somehow connected to my mixer.
Wait, did we just figure this out?
Yes, we did.
Hallelujah.
My apologies, ladies and gentlemen. With that said, can everybody do me a solid before I finish my story? Everyone out there that's tuning in, thank you so much for helping out with this situation. But
Brandy, by the way, Brandy nailed it. It's most likely an open page on his phone, LOL. So Brandy, good work, girl.
She's good. She's good.
You're hired. You're hired.
I need for her to come work with me. All right. So, yeah. So what I wanted to say here, I want everybody out there right now, do me a solid. This number goes to Adam's desk. Call him, let him know, hey, Adam, all those squeeze burnt up 10 minutes of the airtime that you paid for, we're storing your number. So everybody make me proud. Don't get me, beat up. Dial this number, 844-774-3529. Text your friends and say, dial this number when you need a good accident attorney. God forbid your friend, your family, or you or even your foe get hurt in an accident. You need the man who has settled millions of dollars over the past 15 years. So everybody, do me, not Adam, do me that favor. All right? All right? 844-774-3529. And Adam, let me know if anybody from New Jersey or New York call. 844-774-3529.
The phone lines are ringing right now, man. You're making it rain, brother.
I love you, people. when I say I love it, that's coming from my heart. You just helped me out because I just burnt up 10 minutes of the airtime trying to figure out that problem to speak with my personal injury attorney, and I believe that you deserve him also. The number, once again, dial it, let it ring 10, 15 seconds, and Adam will let me know if you're actually doing it. 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. If you get hurt in an accident, you will need him. 844-774-3529. That's 844 PPID law. So what I was saying, Adam, is that I remember pushing someone, another attorney, to say, no. The other guy's gone. Let him do. And this guy's got the zest. He's very zealous. He's aggressive. He's ambitious. And that was a young Adam Handler.
Yeah, I was probably at that point 26, 27 years old, probably practicing law for a couple of years as an associate. Yep. Learning the ropes, figuring out myself as a professional.
And here you are now. Here you are now, settling millions of dollars for the listeners on 93.5 FM and beyond.
Your cell phone is ringing in the speaker, my brother. You need to turn your Wi-Fi off. You need to turn your Bluetooth off. You need to turn your phone off. You need to throw it out the 38th floor window or however high you're up there.
Absolutely. All right. So 844-774-3529. Now, here you are, Adam, 15 minutes before the hour. Tell the folks a little bit about what it is that you have done over the past 15 years in settlements. And I need a true success story today, too.
Yeah, of course. Well, we can do an interesting loop into that. So again, ladies and gentlemen, listening on 93.5 FM or our loyal Facebook followers, checking us out live, of course, I cannot thank you enough for the support that you've shown me and my team and my firm for so many years. Really, it is truly a blessing from God. And I do not say that lightly because, my happiness, my success, my family, it all stems down from the support that you've shown. And I like to think that I've extended the same love, the same energy, the same dedication out to you folks out there. I've helped thousands of people. I'm just talking about me, personal injury, your boy, the case handler. Forget about the immigration that my firm handles, but I'm just talking personal injury. We have done some incredible things. Thousands of clients over the years, over $130 million for our clients, over 20 million last year, over 25 million back in 2019. Certainly life-changing money for life-changing situations, but we do it in a way that makes you feel comfortable. We do it in a way that makes you feel that somebody is truly looking after you, right? So many people out there either listening now or you may experience in the future, you make these decisions, not really thinking it through, going with an attorney that rolls up to you at the scene of the accident, goes with an attorney that rolls up to you in the emergency room, or that your doctor hands them a business card for. And these people take your case, they do whatever work they need to so they can earn their fee, and they spit you out with absolutely no regard as to how this is going to last, how this is going to make a lasting impact on your life, because you have one chance to get it right in a personal injury case. I don't care what anybody says, facts. There are no redos in personal injury cases. Once you sign on the dotted line and accept that check, or once that jury or that judge renders that verdict, you are bound for the rest of your life by that. So you need to choose your weapons carefully. You need to make sure that you have an attorney that's going to fight for you like family, right? If you have an attorney in your family, they're going to, one would hope that they were going to treat you like you're the most important case. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the good news for you is that you don't need to be a blood relative of your boy, the case handler, to have that dedication, to have that approach to excellence. I am a third generation attorney. My father still practices. My grandfather, may he rest in peace, started practicing in 1932. So my family's been doing this for nearly 100 years in New York City. It is in my blood. It is who I am. It is what I am passionate about. And it's not by any coincidence or any twist of fate that we've been able to do these wonderful things for people out there. for so many years. And it's because not only are we really good at what we do, and I'll say it, we are excellent and exceptional lawyers. We are dedicated professionals. But one big difference that sets us apart from a lot of the other people out there, right, is this right here, right in here, heart. Because we understand what it means to be a victim. We understand what it means to be an underdog. And we certainly understand how good it feels to right the wrong. And that's what your boy, the case handler, does. That's what I've instilled in my team here. You know, Matthew, my associate, such a great friend of mine, a brother, an excellent dedicated attorney and family man. Sandra, my head paralegal, she's been with me, you know, for over a decade. Not by accident, because not only do we really enjoy working with each other, but we are both committed to providing excellent representation to those individuals that need us the most. Listen, you can hear me. You can say, yeah, Hannah, you're just talking, you know, you're advertising. Well, yes. Am I advertising? Of course. Is this an extended interview? I believe so. You may not need me right now. You may not need my firm PPID, Pollack, Isaac DeSico right now, but one day you will. Either you'll get into an accident or know somebody gets into an accident, or you're unfortunately put into removal proceedings, or maybe you want to file for your citizenship, or maybe you want to, you know, file for your fiance, or you're getting married and you need to remove the conditions on your green card. These are all things that we do very, very well. So as long as you know they're out there, we're out there, and as long as you know we want to help, we're able to help, and you will be very, very happy when you do call us to help, that's then my job has been done today. So Squeeze, you know, again, I appreciate this platform. It's a very powerful platform. You know, tens and tens of thousands of people are listening to this program right now. Some of you may be saying, oh man, another lawyer on the radio, another lawyer on 93.5 FM. Yeah, I heard it before. But ladies and gentlemen, I really do mean this. There is a very, very big difference between your boy, the case handler, your boy, Adam Handler, and the other people advertising on this radio station and other radio stations.
Absolutely. Once again, folks, make no mistake. He's truly, he can't say it, but he's truly the best in the business. And, you know, he's the most honest attorney I've ever met in my life. And I'm not brown nosing him or kissing his ass. I'm telling you like it is. Adam Handler, this is one man that he will always be honest and he will always be successful. You want to know why? Because of how he treats people. And he's very passionate about when people get hurt in an accident. Adam, he would love for no one to get hurt in an accident. I mean, that means he wouldn't be able to feed his family.
But that's messed up, man. You don't want anybody to suffer. Listen,
you don't want anybody to suffer.
Figure out something else. But, you know, I know, unfortunately, that disaster does strike, and good and bad things do happen to good people.
And then when those things happen, we have you, Adam. That's what we do have. We have you to fight for us. That's what we have. And we need attorneys like you. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, reach out to him. The number to call is 844-774-3529. And Adam, I need for you to share a true success story.
Yeah, I will. And I've got a great one in mind. And you know, I was hoping to give some exciting news today on a case, but unfortunately it didn't happen. You know, we had a big settlement conference yesterday on one of my biggest cases, a very, very serious construction accident case. And we met with the judge and the other side, and we couldn't come to an agreement. I mean, this is a big, big case, and one day, you know, we'll be featuring this. But ultimately, they asked me, and this is amazing. They asked me yesterday in front of the judge if $3 million would get it done. With $3 million, settle this case. And trust me, it takes a lot. Can I say balls on the radio?
Of course you can.
I guess I just said it, but it takes balls to be able to say thank you, but no thank you. It takes conviction. It takes, what's the word?
So you're saying, Adam,
self-confidence.
You were offered $3 million for your client. And let me guess, you turned it down.
I turned it down because this is a big case. This is a guy that is really in bad shape right now, and the case is worth more than $3 million. I'm not going to discuss how much more than $3 million it's worth. I believe a significant amount more than that, but we turned down $3 million yesterday. Now, we were joking. I was joking with my client after we were done, saying I would say most attorneys would have been on the phone with you right now saying, $3 million, bro. We got to take this. This is a great deal. It's tax-free money. It's going to change your life. $3 million. Let's go for it. But I know firsthand that is not the right amount of money for this gentleman and his family. So I know that and I feel confident that we could push this further and get him more money. And I really do believe we will. So we'll report on that. But, again, it takes conviction and self-confidence to be able to walk away from that. And that reminds me of this case right here. And I'll share it with you. Ladies and gentlemen, again, on 93.5 FM, check me out on IG, Instagram. Check me out on Facebook. You'll be connected to this practice. You'll be connected to the case handler. You'll see firsthand what I'm talking about with respect to these settlements. And it reminds me of this case, Michael. We've talked about this case before, but it's really important to highlight. It's not my biggest settlement, but it's $1.7 million, which is obviously an extraordinary amount of money. $1.7 million tax-free. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see the picture of your boy, the case handler. You can see Michael holding the big check. You can see Sandra, my love, standing next to us. And if you could just read that quote for me, Squeeze, we'll talk a little bit more about this case and why it's relevant to what I just said.
It says here, this is without a doubt the legal team you need. They did good for me and will do good for you too. Right. Michael from the Bronx, neighborhood I grew up in, $1.7 million by people. That's the settlement that Adam got for him, $1.7 million. And I'm looking at the dent on this Rogue, this Nissan Rogue, all right, in the back there. Whose car is that?
That's his car. He was rear-ended. He was stopped at a light. He was rear-ended, listening to music. He was on the Bronx River Parkway. Actually, he was slowing down and got rear-ended. But the point of this story is, okay, that we had a similar settlement conference in this case where the insurance company offered $1 million, right? $1 million. And I remember Michael looked at me saying, $1 million? Like, what? We're taking this, right? I go, listen, you're in charge. It's your case. You make the decisions. I'll counsel you. But I think there's more money. I know there's more money. Trust me, there is more money. Let's walk away. Let's walk away from that $1 million. And we did. And 3 weeks later, get a call from the insurance company. Hey, we reevaluated it. We revisited our position. 1.5 million do it? I go, nope. You want to settle this case? It's the 1.7 million that we told you 3 weeks ago we would take. We will still honor that. They paid the 1.7 million. And that's the same situation. It may not happen in the same way right now with this case I was just talking about, but yesterday we walked away from $3 million. $3 million because I know we got to take care of this guy. I know you got one and only shot. I know there are no redos. And that's the difference. Like I said, somebody that cares, an attorney that actually cares about you like family. My name is Adam Handler. I am your case handler. You know who I am. You've been listening to me, like I said, with Squeeze since October of 2005. That's how long this community has been hearing me on this radio station. That's how long this community has been embracing your boy, the case handler. And that's how long that your boy, the case handler, has embraced you back. 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. It's not just all talk, my man. It's not all just shouting and screaming and saying, blah, blah, blah. This is what we do. I am showing you firsthand. I'm giving you real life examples, things that are happening on a daily basis. Because remember, Squeeze, I am a practicing attorney. I am the attorney handling your case. I am the one negotiating. I am the one dealing with the judge. Any other lawyer out there advertising on this radio station or other radio stations, I challenge you to step forward and say, hey, I do the same thing. I am the practicing attorney. I am the case handler. It's not going to happen. 844-774-3529.
And once again, folks, you're hearing the voice of my friend, Adam Handler, an attorney that I've worked with for the past 15 solid years. And He has proven himself. Michael got $1.7 million. That's a settlement that Adam Handler, I call him the beast sometimes. Okay, I call him the shark. That's the original name I gave him way back when, 15 years ago. The shark. Why? Because the dude is very aggressive when it comes on your behalf. He's going to fight, all right? You need the right personal injury attorney. Hey, people always say, a lot of people in the streets, oh boy, squeeze love money, man. Yes, I do. I own it. And you should too, especially if you get hurt in an accident. It can't bring you back to 100%, but it can appease you. All the pain and suffering. Ladies and gentlemen, call the number. It's 844-PPID-LAW. That's 844-774-3529. Make that call. Store that number for Adam Handler. 844-774-3529. That firm, Pollack, Isaac, and Masiko, they also handle immigration. But make sure you store the number, 844-PPID-LAW. Thank you all so much for watching. Have yourself an amazing day. Throwback Thursday. We're out. All right. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, on Facebook. We're about to conclude the show.
And also, let me just add, I know Brandy has been very, very patient asking questions. Yes, we do handle probate and guardianship matters. I don't personally, but my partners do. And with respect to nursing home abuse, yes, that is considered a personal injury case, and we do handle those cases. Those are, very, very upsetting and heart-wrenching cases, because essentially, you're fighting now for an individual that can't fight for themselves. We take them very seriously. We win big money for those cases. But again, you just have to give us a call. We won't know you're out there unless you call us, 844-774-3529, or just hit us up on, Facebook or Instagram.
Adam Handler, thank you so much for getting on the show, man. I do appreciate you, and so does everyone out there on Facebook. Remember to subscribe to his page, my page, so this way you can know when we go live right here on, of course, Cruisin with the Case Handler, a show about personal injury and, yes, immigration. Adam Handler is the man who runs the personal injury department at this 60-year-old firm. No, he's not 60. All right. And store the number, pass it on to your friends, family, and even foes. The number, 844-PPID-LAW. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for everything. Have yourself an amazing day. Peace out.